Greetings from Malaysia. I'm S. Kaveri Subramaniam, an entrepreneur, law of attraction practitioner and trainer, and also member of CORE Global Peace Day Committee team. To me, peace is living a fulfilled life with the happiness and joy on every moment and able to wear the smile on our face every day, not just for one day. Peace is something to seek within, not outside. Many people like to go to Himalaya, but remember, Himalaya's peace belongs to Himalaya, not us. This peace is something that we need to seek from within. There are positive vibes, joy, harmony, love, bliss, and peace. At the same time, there are also negative vibes where hatred, depression, stress, frustration, and in our daily life, what kind of energy we tend to pick and vibrate. Most of us are stuck with the negative vibration because in daily life, we face a lot of challenges and our surroundings, issues. So many things has been affected our life in many ways, and especially COVID-19 has given a tremendous frustration, depression in among many people where people feel insecure, fear, and it leads to depression where indirectly, without us knowing, we have been carrying the negative vibration to spread not only to us, but to all the people around us. Let me tell you something. I have been practicing observing 1 minute of silence at 11:11 a.m. since 2011. What happens here is whenever I start practicing this 1 minute of silence, I have a very peace feeling inside, feel joy, feel good, and feel harmony within me. And this calmness or peace within me make me to able to make a clear decision in my life. It gives a lot of clarity when I have the peace within, and especially with the affirmation of I'm a peacekeeper, I'm a family peacekeeper, I'm a national peacekeeper, I'm a global peacekeeper. This affirmations really making me to have that feeling of responsibility, not only to me to hold the peace, but also to spread the peace among all the people around me and to global. And the clarity that this calmness or the peace which is given in my life has totally changed my life. My perception towards the world has changed. My perception to the life has changed. My perception towards what I see has changed. Whatever I hear has changed. Whatever I eat has changed. I'm able to do with consciousness, no longer doing things hurry-burry, but I'm able to do things with consciousness and feeling the moment of joy and happy, and which I feel good for myself. I realize when I'm at peace, I truly can accept on how things are and how people are. I can truly accept whatever things happening in my life, whether it's positive or negative. So with the saying of thoughts create things in law of attraction, or what you think you become, I think truly pausing for this 1 minute of silence has impacted me a lot and allowed me to carry the positive thoughts all the time, and it gives a good vibration too. So how powerful it would be if all the collective thoughts we join together and observe that 1 minute of silence every day at 11:11 a.m. It will be good and everybody will feel good. Well, my message to fellow Malaysians is peace is possible. Get out of your noisy mind and get connected to your heart, the silence which brings the joy, bliss, and peace always. It's just a matter of practice. By observing 1 minute of silence every day, we will definitely attain the peace within and attain a lot of benefits in our life. So stay blessed always. Join us at hashtag Jom 1 minute. Thank you.